I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator in a Honda Fit. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to avoid any electrical hazards. You will need a few essential tools, including a 10mm socket, a 14mm socket, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine has cooled down completely to prevent burns. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth repair process. Now, let's move on to removing the serpentine belt. First, locate the belt tensioner, which is typically a spring-loaded pulley. Insert your serpentine belt tool into the tensioner's square opening and rotate it to release the tension. This will allow you to easily slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Remember to note the belt's routing for easier reinstallation later. This step is crucial for accessing the alternator. With the belt removed, we can now disconnect the alternator. You will find an electrical connector and a main power wire, usually secured by a 10mm nut. Carefully disconnect both. Next, remove the two mounting bolts, typically 14mm, that hold the alternator in place. Once these are out, you can gently wiggle and pull the old alternator free from its mounting bracket. This might require a little patience. Now for the installation of your new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into position and secure it with the two mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector, ensuring they are snug. Next, reroute and reinstall the serpentine belt, using your tensioner tool to create slack. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and start your engine to confirm the new alternator is charging correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.